Good morning, Tux. Stretchy, stretchy. Come on out for breakfast. We've got clouds and 46 this morning. I don't see Stripe or Morris. Surely they're up here though. I haven't missed a morning. And Tux wasn't up here bothering them. Stripe! Morris! Stripe! Morris! There's my buddy. Something got their attention. I see both of them now. That's good. Phew! Need to be worrying about kitties this morning.
It's all yucky looking out here.
Yeah, it's not a very pretty morning looking for a walk.
Yeah. Kind of cool too.
It's 46.
The wind's blowing. Just the paper.
Well, I did get some Legos yesterday
That's
afternoon, so I can't complain too much.
Right.
I am really close to being done with the mineral shop. I am missing some of these teeth that go on these holes, which have been ordered. And there's 2 gold pieces here, which I need to order. And a couple of sand green slope pieces, mostly so I can finish the dome and a little bit over in here. But it's pretty much done. I am happy with how it turned out, for sure. And yeah. Yeah, I can't finish the dome until I get the teeth pieces and some slope pieces, so it's not smushed together properly, but you get the gist. I did the window flower boxes today and the overhang and this whole fancy roof line thing. It's 3 o'clock. I was working on that Lego thing for 4 hours at least, maybe 5 hours even. You know, it's just that kind of a day. We've got light sprinkles here, clouds. It's just over 50 and probably a little bit more rain moving in. I am headed with Johnny over to Anger for, you know, regular dental cleaning for him. So, little ride through the country this afternoon. You guys should recognize this stretch of road because this is the opening drone shot footage where Ruby and Jules are going off into the curves, off into the country at the very end. Yeah, that intersection we just went through, Rawls Church Road, was where we did the drone shot stuff. Boy, it looks like February today. Wow, look at all of the blooms on that camellia bush. That's going to be gorgeous. Yeah, this is the Taj Mahal dentist building and the landscaping to go with it. I'll let you get the door, Johnny. Thank you. As I watch Ruby, you can maybe see at the tire and auto place that there is a blue Model 3 parked there. It's one of those rare times I'm wishing I had pre-conditioned Ruby so that when we came out it would be nice and warm out here. It's chilly this afternoon. Well, Johnny has no cavities, so today's checkup was a win. Right, Johnny? Mm-hmm. Well, we're back home, but poor Ruby is wet, and Johnny's got Taekwondo testing tomorrow morning, so he'll have to allot a few extra minutes to dry the floor in the morning. Helps us keep the floor clean though.